pretty boy.
Everybody said that pretty boy. Me Jesus! Don't know it's Tabizzle Prime Top Nation. Who is this?
Youngblood TV.
Youngblood TV. You hear the man name? Youngblood TV, man. And yo, chill dude, very cool dude. And y'all need to check out his vlogs. Like that's the first thing we're gonna talk about right now. Is this dude vlogs, yeah? I'm telling the people, like, this dude vlogs is crazy, bro. Like, he has a lot of awesome content out here, you know what I mean? Let them know about yourself, G.
Yeah, so it's a Youngblood TV, so I want everybody to go like and subscribe and check out the vlogs. So make sure you leave a comment and make sure you subscribe. That is it.
Madam Bad. So basically, why the both of us link up and thing right now? So basically, both of us are two aspiring YouTubers born to make it, and I mean we're gonna make it. So we come together and we're going to do like collaborations and stuff. You know what I mean? We come on to whatever it is. We're gonna take suggestions from you guys, from his fans, from my fans, from whosoever, and we're gonna like link up and we're gonna do some collabs together.
Yeah. So that basically that we are going to do, you know. So just as I said, I want everybody to support. We make sure you subscribe and like and everything as well, and subscribe to the channel.
Jesus, yeah man, subscribe to Youngblood's channel, you know what I mean? Let them know a little what you do, my general. I do me tell them already, but them have to know extra.
Yeah, so we do daily vlogs and thing, daily updates and okay. Yeah, that basically.
Yeah man, so that the general do. You know Tabizzle Prime already. I'm just an idiot, so do a lot of different videos and whatever, you know what I mean? That's what we do. So that's what we're about to do, you know what I mean? We're gonna do some collabs, do some cross posting and see what you guys think about it. We're gonna do reaction to what? Music videos, right? Music videos, comedies, whatever it is, we're gonna do a lot of that shit, so you guys should just be prepared and just watch the heat coming. Although it's hot as right now, bro. Yeah, the sun, no, seriously.
The sun a picture mode.
Yeah, the sun, yeah. We could find like a funny night too, you know? Yeah, so. But yeah man, we're there still, we're there, the outlets are going chill and they're easy back, you know what I mean? Yeah. And we just link up, we just meet each other and things, you see me I say? Get recommended to him and a very cool dude, you see me? We need to go follow him, man. Follow him. Yo, what your Instagram, bro?
Youngblood _Young_Blood TV.
Young_Blood TV. Make sure y'all check out the dude Instagram, bro. You know what I mean? The man lit. The man uppity, bro. Meet Jesus. We get some milk. But I'm bad. Meet Jesus. Tabizzle Prime representing for Youngblood TV, you know what I mean? Check out the general. That's the conclusion, you know what I mean? We're not giving it too much until we start the real too much. Who is representing?
Youngblood TV, man.
Tabizzle Prime representing, and see you guys soon, because we'll come on YouTube and come shell it.
I left for Impact.
Don't left for What name? When you do Impact, then we're the uppity. Meet Jesus, Madam Bad, we're out. Look, you say like that? Everybody said that pretty boy. Alright. Yeah man, it's a record man, them one already. Yeah, see, we can make a cut out shit because we whole for laughing and go ahead. Alright.